Hey everyone, congratulations for getting this far. I'm absolutely excited for you, and so far you should have learned some of the most important basics of Python programming. So I just wanted to kind of talk about something very important, something that I've talked about before as well, but it's important to mention that, and that is the fact that in order for you to become a good programmer, you need to put your skills to use. That's really, really important. So what I want you to do is to practice your skills, because without that, you're not going to be a good programmer at all. And the better you are, the more easier it becomes for you to actually solve complicated problems. So one of the things I have for you in the resource sections of this video is a few ways for you to actually practice your skills. It's something that you don't have to do right now, but I recommend you to do this stuff when you have some free time. You know, these are some tools online that you can use to practice your programming skills to make sure that you understand Python, but more importantly, you can solve problems. Because one of the things about programming is that it's not just about a language that you can actually create programs, but programming and making a program, whether it's a web app or like something more simple, it is all about solving problems. It's about figuring out how to do something in the most efficient way. And that's what's important for you to use your skills constantly, and also make sure put them to use and practice it so you develop it and you become more and more skilled. So I have a few things for you in the resource section. Check it out for yourself. You can practice your skills that way, and let's continue moving forward. Next section, we're going to talk about directories and nesting and a lot more complicated subjects. So it's really important for you to make sure you understand everything we've talked about so far. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next section.